It's a short tutorial on how to open a cent account on your OneRoyal broker and deposit on your trading account using local transfer through Pay. All we need to do is after you log into your OneRoyal portal, just come over to this option, right? You're gonna see account, click on it. This is gonna open. Then you see open demo account, open real account. You click on open real account, right, and it will give you this option. You click on select, right, then select MT4. Please be aware, cent account is only available on MT4 on OneRoyal. They don't have a cent account on MT5. You click on MT4, right, then click on continue. All right, then they will ask you to choose the type of account you want to open. Cent account, basic. Cent is a cent account you want to open. You select your cent account, right, and then they will ask you for leverage. I always go for the highest one, is to 1000. Currency is in dollar, all right, and then you proceed. Click on continue, right. I think I've already have up to 5 cent accounts, so they don't allow me to open again. But you that have not opened anyone, they will allow you to open automatically. They will send you the login details on your email. So just go to your email, you'll see the login details. Then after that, you want to deposit on your account. All you need to do is to come over to the account option again. Then you'll see this option funds, right? After traders menu, account, you see funds. You click on funds. All right, you see deposit funds, right? Click on deposit funds, right? And then we have, if you want to deposit through crypto, bank transfer, Pay, right? This is the best option. Pay, you can use your bank transfer to pay, right? Click on Pay. All right, just click on it. When you click on it, you see how it would mark it, right? Pay. Then you click on continue, right? Click on continue, and then please select the deposit method, right? Please select the deposit method. Let's see, Pay. I think I did not select. I've selected it. Continue, right? Just click on the Pay. Boom. Then they will ask you how much you want to deposit. Let's example, you want to deposit, let's say 200,000. Just type in 200,000. If you type in 200,000, you notice it would appear 200,000 will give you $143, right? $143, right? Let's say you want to deposit on let's say 500,000 for example, right? Then 500,000 is currently $358, right? Then you click on continue. Any amount you want to deposit, just type it there, then click on continue. Then they will give you a summary of what you want to do, how much you will get after you make payment. Then click on continue. All right, click on continue. Boom. They will give you option to make your transfer, pay with credit card, pay with bank transfer, pay with bank, which is what we need is bank transfer, right? You click and accept the terms and condition, then click on continue, right? Okay, good and fine. We all know how to do transfer. You copy the account number, right? Copy the account number, take it to your bank app and pay. After you make payment, you come back and immediately you make the payment, they would approve it. Just take it to your bank app or whatever you're using, make the payment to you can see the account name, Pay. This is the bank name, Sterling Bank. Just go to your bank app and search for Sterling Bank, right? Go back to and make Sterling Bank, then copy the account number, make payment. So this is how simple it is to deposit on your OneRoyal broker using any local currency successfully, stress-free, and without any error or mistake. After the money is received, I'm not ready to deposit, you come over to your Pay. You come over to your back office again. You see funds, then you come over to transfer funds, right? Transfer funds. Then the money would automatically, after you deposit, it would automatically show on your wallet. Like this example, if you check my wallet here, I have $200. It would appear on your wallet. Then you have to transfer it to that particular account that you open. Just check, select the account. Example, if you want to transfer, let's assume this was the account you opened, cent account, right? You just select the account from, you see the amount, then you put the amount you want to transfer to the cent account to start trading. Let's say you want to use $100 dollar, or let's say $1 for example. You credit it to the account you want to start trading, click on continue. Right, this is how simple it is to to open a center account and to make payment, deposit on your trading account using Pay, and how to transfer it to your trading account. If there's anything you don't understand, can you reach out to the person that sent you this video?